Offset disc harrow, farm equipment for sale, at www.tractorspakistan.com. Offset disc harrow is farm equipment and designed to till the soil and plant the crop. It can also be used to eradicate the unwanted weeds from the soil. Offset disc harrow is widely used in the agriculture sector, as it reduces the unwanted material from the soil and breaks it down in the small parts. Offset disc harrow, like the double-action disc harrow, it has 2 rows of disc gangs which break soil in the opposite direction of each other. The offset disc harrow is intended to work as a primary ground tillage farming implement, breaking virgin ground. Their chew produces a much smoother level to the ground. 12 farrow disc harrow, 14 farrow disc harrow, 16 farrow disc harrow, 18 farrow disc harrow, 24 farrow disc harrow. What do disc harrows do? A disc harrow is a harrow whose cutting edges are a row of concave metal discs, which may be scalloped, set at an oblique angle. It is an agricultural implement that is used to till the soil where crops are to be planted. It is also used to chop up unwanted weeds or crop remainders.